This second video will show you how to create itineraries and how to copy them to a TomTom device. This is the Tyre core business and the main reason why I decided to create Tyre anyway. Back in 2006, when I bought my first TomTom rider, a Rider 1, there was no proper software that could create suitable itineraries. Tyre has changed a lot since then, but user feedback is still telling me that people like the simplicity of the approach. Here is how it works. Create your first waypoint by double-clicking on the map. It is as simple as that. Create the second one the same way. And the third one. And so on until you have completed the route that you have in mind. Want to change the course of your route? That's no problem. Just grab the route line and move it. A new waypoint will be inserted at the location where you drop the line. If you have some POI that are displayed on the map, you can select them too and add them to your trip. For example, a hotel, a restaurant, a gas station, and so on. Lots of POI that are useful for bikers come with Tyre Professional. Good to know. I strongly recommend that people save their itineraries on their computers and not only on their navigation devices, although it's not necessary to do so. If you want to save some itinerary together with the preferences that are used on creating it, save it using the Tyre route file format, TRF. On reopening such a file, the program's preferences concerning the route will be ignored, and the preferences that are stored in the file will be used instead. A very convenient feature for exchanging itineraries between users. Tyre is able to open several file types such as ITN, GPX, etc. Some other file types can only be imported, such as GDB. Importing means that a file can be read, but it cannot be saved in the same file type. Now it is time to copy the route to your device. Connect the TomTom rider to your computer. Every time that you connect or disconnect a USB device to or from your computer, Tyre will notice what happens and check if you have connected or removed your navigation device. Now the device is connected to your computer and ready to receive your itinerary. Don't bother about the file type that you may have opened or imported. Tyre will always copy the itinerary to your TomTom using the proper ITN format. Do you want to make it the active route right away? You can do that by selecting that item from the menu. Do you want this to be done always? Right-click on the Copy to TomTom button and select the actions that you want to be performed when you click this button. This is the basic stuff. Of course there is more, a lot more. You can open itineraries that are available from your TomTom device or remove them from there. Or you can add them to the content of TomTom Home and manipulate them from there.